Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are making chicken birria in the slow cooker. Okay, this is great. This is something that you can start before you go to work and use your slow cooker. It'll be great. Okay, so let's see what we're doing. We're using chicken breasts, and I want you to see that these chicken breasts are actually frozen, and we can do that because modern slow cookers come up to temperature, which allows them to cook frozen foods. It'll add a little bit more time, about a half an hour, but that's okay. So we're going to be doing that. But before we do that, I want you to introduce you to the stars of our show, which would be chile negro, New Mexico chili, and we want some smoky flavor. We're going to put some chipotle chilies in there as well, and oregano, garlic clove, bay leaf, of course, cumin, onion, and we're going to use diced tomatoes. These are organic diced tomatoes. They're very good. You can find them at Imperfect Foods. Okay, and we're going to be using corn tortillas for our tacos. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is make the sauce. So the first thing we're going to do, this is the chili negro. Notice I have a sign inside. So what I'm going to do when I'm done with this, I'm going to reseal this using my vacuum sealer, but I'm keeping the label inside so I know what it is. So let's put 2. Now we're going to put the chipotle. Same thing. There we go. This is the chipotle pepper. Chipotle. Some negros. And the last one we're going to put in there is New Mexico chili. We're going to put 2. And as you can see, I have this label also. Okay, now you can see they're very nice. So we're going to add hot water. This is boiling hot water. We're going to completely cover these chilies. And let them rehydrate. Once they're rehydrated, we'll stick them in the blender and we'll make the sauce out of them. And the peppers have softened. You can see they look completely different. This chipotle. Oh wait, that's the negro, I think. I'm not sure. See if we can find the chipotle in here. I don't know. Anyway, they're all nice and soft now. Okay. And what we're going to do with these is we're going to put them in a blender. And I have a measuring cup because we're going to use some of the liquid. But first we're going to put these in here. There's the chipotle. And I'm going to take 2 cups of this. just gonna add it to this. I'm gonna also add the canned tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes are fine in this. I usually use fresh. We were kind of running a little low. And this is a half of a red onion. We're going to make salsa with the rest. I'm also going to add a clove of garlic. Now this is something kind of interesting. This is chicken base from Better Than Bouillon. I really like that brand. But this is chicken base, and what this is going to do is it's going to give it rounding flavor so that it won't be all chili. It'll have some umami flavor in it, and it's also got salt. So there'll be salt. And I'm going to put the top on. Sauce is done. Take a look at it. I wish you could be here to smell this. This smells absolutely, look at that, that's beautiful. Okay, now, it's not done yet. Of course it's not done yet. We have to cook it, okay? So all the flavors can really marry, and we're gonna put it in this pan like this. And we're going to put a bay leaf in there. And I'm going to cook that until it reduces down for about 20 minutes. Okay, we have the chicken in the slow cooker. We're going to add, the sauce is ready, so we're going to add the sauce. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wish you could smell it. It smells amazing. Okay. I'm going to add that. Put that on there. And just be generous. Put the whole thing on there. Make sure all the covered pieces of chicken are covered. If you want to, you could move it around in the sauce. Okay. I'm going to put the top on. And I'm going to set it on low. And I'll come back in about 5 hours and we'll have a wonderful, wonderful dinner. And we'll see you then. Welcome to our table. As you can see, we have the chicken, the sauce, we have cheese, cabbage, salsa, homemade, and of course, homemade guacamole. I can't wait to eat this, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on The Good Plate. And remember, ever forward, ever flavorful. Yum, yum!